Well, it's 9 o'clock in the morning here in the Adelaide Hills, and this is probably our third or fourth decent frost that we've had. You can see the mulch is just ice. Moving over to here, it's solid ice. Look at the hedges, and here we can see that the bit of water left on the hot tub is just a rock solid lump of ice here. It's probably about 12 millimeters thick. We'll just check the lawn. Looks like the ryegrass recovers quite well once that ice thaws. It's looking quite nice. But that's a decent frost on that. We'll come back later on when that's thawed out and we'll give that a little mow today. But it's all looking quite good. Loving winter lawn care, absolutely love it. I think it beats summer lawn care, to be honest. So join me again later on today, we'll have another look at the lawn. Well, just looking at the lawn after probably a good 4 or 5 frosts in a row. The perennial ryegrass manages to stay green very well. The lighter patches I think are a bit of annual rye that's come up a little bit, but I'm just willing to live with that. So I'm just about to mow the lawn once more. Another interesting thing, I watched a video by Austin Jarrett from Allet, and he recommends when you're fixing patches to bury the seed. So I gave that a go. You can see I've had a little bit of germination there, but when I lift this up, it's really smothered that seed. So I'm not going to use that method again. And I uncovered one over here, and as you can obviously see, it's really sort of almost rotted that lawn with wet compost over the top of it. So I'll never bury it like that again. That certainly hasn't worked for me. You can see a little bits coming up, just where I've had to overseed a little bit. So if I uncover this, you know, I've got a lot of rotten lawn under there. So yeah, I'll avoid that method again. Okay, on with the mow. Well, that's after the mow, and you know, after all those frosts, that's holding its green quite well. I'm quite happy with that. A couple of bits of annual rye maybe here have popped up, but compared to a dormant couch, I'm over the moon with this, really. And you really have to question in Australia, do we need to switch our lawn care season to winter now? And with all the droughts that we keep having, this is a breeze. You know, I could mow this once a 3 weeks, once a month if I wanted to. I don't have to water it. Just a little bit of liquid fertiliser every now and then. Really simple winter lawn care. The only problem is your lawnmower gets a bit wet, and it's hard to adjust. And you've got gummed up lawn clippings through the reel. But yeah, just the need to water is just greatly reduced, and it's so fantastic. Thanks guys, see you on the next video.